Hi, this is Bill Bentley. Welcome to Value Train. This short animated presentation will give you an overview of the various ways we can help you. You'll find information about all of this on the website in a lot more detail. I'll first show you the main topics of the presentation so you know what you're going to see. I'll then return to explore each topic in a little more detail. The entire thing should only take about 8 minutes. This overview is divided into 4 short parts: consulting, training topics, training methods, and customer types. First, let's talk about consulting. We teach most of this material, but we also do it. We don't like long-term assignments. We prefer to solve problems and then get the heck out of your hair. A rapidly increasing part of our business is statistical consulting. Whether you call it data analysis, statistics, data science, or something else, we're likely to be able to help. Our partners have experience with a wide variety of statistics software. Some of them only have one letter in their name. Very efficient. Data cleansing is required of almost all data analysis projects. Nobody likes to do it. We'll do it for you. You can learn a lot about your data and business by this seemingly mundane and dirty task. Data analysis takes lots of forms. All of them involve learning something useful for your business. We are good at it. Sometimes you want to know what causes what. We call those models and can make them for you. They are great for predictions. Data exploration is another thing we can do. It helps you find relations between things you might not have known about. That can be very profitable knowledge. A pile of numbers is hard to understand. What makes it easier is the proper use of display techniques. We can build the right displays for the right need. You are looking at a bubble chart. This is a simple way to see a relation between 3 or even 4 variables in one simple chart.
Everybody does surveys to make decisions. Most people do them wrong. We can help you do them right.
A good part of our business is process improvement. This is how we got started. Have a physical or administrative process that is inefficient or producing poor quality results? Our forte is finding those root causes and fixing them. It's not our job to run your company, so once we have helped you put these fixes in place, you need to keep them there. We can show you how to do that as well.
Have a project that needs a computer simulation to show how it works, or even better, to show how improvements are going to make it better? Simulation has a steep learning curve. Rather than consume your own people's time on this, let us do your simulation project for you, and they can watch or help and then do it themselves the next time much faster than they would otherwise. Sometimes people try to do a project and it turns out to be a real mess, but the boss demands that it be finished anyway. This is a good time to bring in someone new to rescue it. We can do that for you. One form of consulting is coaching. Have some newly minted graduates with almost no experience? They will be a lot more effective if they have a coach by their side or on call who has been there and done that. Not too many people ask us to do math for them, but we will. Hit the play button if it doesn't play by itself, and see a 1-minute math video that we made for an inner city school whose students hated math. They liked hip-hop, so we made a hip-hop math lesson about the Pythagorean theorem as a proof of concept for them.
One of the things we do is training. We do lots of training. I'm going to show you what kind.
We do Six Sigma training. We have white belt, green belt, black belt, expanded green belt, and expanded black belt classes. You'll see all of these described in detail on the website and be able to sign up for any of them. We also do lean training. We only do lean green belt training. It only takes 3 days and it will teach you the basics of what you need to know to get started in your lean journey. We have a project management professional exam prep class. This class is designed to prepare you to take PMI's PMP exam. It's a hard exam and you need 35 hours of project management training the year before you take it, which this course gives you. But more importantly, it trains you how to take and pass the exam. We can also teach you how to use a variety of statistical software packages. Do these look like Greek to you? Well, some of it is, but we'll explain why.
Our newest training courses are R and Python boot camps. These are each a series of Saturday classes. They are hard and fast-paced and require that you know a fair amount of statistics and a little bit of the language for the course you are in. We will show you how to use the language to perform advanced statistical techniques. We won't make you wear uniforms or yell in your face.
Okay, on to training methods. We can deliver our training a variety of different ways. I'll explain each one of them. We can train you the old-fashioned way, in a physical classroom. We like this and you like this, but it's not always practical these days. Our students are a lot more engaged than the ones in this picture. These are from a different company. We also teach our classes live but via webinar sessions. These are like a physical classroom except we can't see each other. Well, we can if we turn on video cameras. The best thing about these is that there is no travel, either for you or for us. And there's actually a lot of advantages, and there are many things we can do in a virtual classroom that can't be done in a physical classroom. I mentioned before that we can train one person at a time. We call this personal tutoring. It's like it sounds. We tutor by email, phone, or live webinar session, depending on the topic and the questions asked. We can take your training experience into the next century and deliver our classes in a three-dimensional virtual world where both the students and instructors are avatars. Far out, huh? No, we aren't all blue. And finally, we can do all of these classes with a combination of all of these methods. Maybe do the first day in person, do the other days virtually and live, and do an exercise as avatars in a 3D world, and handle supplemental topics via personal tutoring. It kind of blows your mind, doesn't it? I'm going to describe what kind of customers we have. You are probably one of these kinds if you are listening to this. If you don't fit into one of these categories, call us and we'll make a category just for you. We suitcase all of our courses for in-house training at companies. We can do them as is or customize them for your needs. You won't see these on our website since they are all private. We schedule public enrollment classes in various cities. You can find the schedule for these on our website. Classes are held if enough people sign up. Want one in your city? Just contact us and we'll tell you how. We train a lot of people one at a time. Some are in transition and need to know these topics for their next job. Others are working and want to build their skills, and still others are ordered by their boss to come. We can teach all of them one at a time and still provide expert one-on-one coaching when they need it.
Remember that software bootcamp picture you saw a little while ago? It was actually from my Army bootcamp days. Did I mention that we are a certified veteran-owned small business? If you do any business with the government, this might be of use to you.
Well, that's it. Explore the site and you can see more about this. Then email or call us with your questions. And thanks for watching. This is Bill Bentley, over and out.